Hello, my name is Mayomikun Matesun, and I'm here to give a review of the experience I had with Solomon Consultancy. Um, for me, it was very insightful because I'm about to enter the corporate world. The title of the event was Navigating the Corporate World, and I learned a whole lot about networking, mentorship, and professionalism. I also learned how to improve my standing in the workplace and to ensure that I'm always getting better and always increasing my value, which of course would be translated to a higher income. And I would really recommend her talks, that's Lola Bejide's talks, to anyone who's about to enter the corporate world or is already in it and is trying to be the best version of themselves. And I think one thing that I took away was that my mentors don't have to look like me. They don't have to be my gender. They don't have to be my skin color. Our backgrounds could have been different. But if there's something that I see in a mentor that I would like to emulate at some point, I think that would be a good criteria or a good criterion for a um, an appropriate mentor. I learned a whole lot of other things, and everybody who came with me also testified that they thought the talk was very useful and would reap results later on in our careers. So I would recommend the talk to anyone and recommend events run by Solomon Consultancy for anyone who's interested in navigating the corporate world.